How to view hidden photos on your Instagram. So let's first try to hide some photos that we have posted in the past. So I have in here this particular photo. Just click on this three dots, click on this archive right here. And then once you have done that, you should not be able to see them on your profile anymore. If you want to view those hidden photos, click right here on the three lines. And then from in there, click on this archive option right here. Now, on some cases, it will open your stories archive. So for that, just head over and then just choosing here this post archives. And as you can see right here, we have this particular post that we have just hidden earlier or archived earlier. If you want to retrieve it, you have the option to do so by clicking on these three dots and clicking on this show on profile. Now, this will allow you to show this particular post right here on your profile again, and then people should be able to see it again on your profile as well. So that's how you view hidden photos on your Instagram.